You may be one of thousands of people desperately trying to lose weight. Maybe you just want to lose a few pounds, or your weight is causing you serious health problems. But you know just how challenging it can be. Don't despair. This video will show you a system that is revolutionizing how people easily to lose weight and keep slim. There are two extreme approaches to weight loss which are likely the most successful result. The first approach is physical surgery. According to the National Center for Biotechnology Information, bariatric surgery, also known as the gastric band, is the single most successful way to lose weight and keep slim. The problems with physical surgery, however, are two sides. The cost is very expensive. Do you know that an operation can cost as much as $25,000? It is really not cheap. Another thing is the risk of death. Even if you have pockets deep enough to fork out $25,000 for surgery, a 1 in 333 chances of not making it out the other end of the procedure is a serious cause for concern. The second successful approach is hypnosis treatments. Hypnosis has long been recognized as a highly effective method of losing weight and keeping slim. According to the Consulting and Clinical Psychology, hypnosis proved to be over 30 times more effective for weight loss when compared to dieting alone. However, there's a significant financial downside associated with hypnosis. A series of hypnotherapy sessions can easily run into many thousands of dollars. Again, it is not a cheap treatment. So what is the best method to lose weight without spending expensive cost but safer way? A brand new system of weight loss has recently been making serious waves in the weight loss marketplace. It is the best of gastric band and hypnosis without the cost or risk. This new system combines the best of the gastro band and hypnosis. It is for a fraction of the cost of hypnosis and with none of the risk of a traditional gastro band operation. The system works by convincing your mind that a gastric band has been placed around your stomach just as if you'd had a real operation. This gastric band hypnosis achieves such amazing results because it completely changes the way your subconscious mind processes thoughts about food. Find out more about this system by clicking the link below. It will show you more about how it can help you lose weight and keep slim.